I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad, and this is our channel. What?
Let's back that out to get that nut in there. Oh, what size it is? Probably gonna have to. Yeah, I got it. All right. Doesn't go very far and then it stops. You leave you a lot of room to work with, do that. Damn, I just. Look, these bolts have like a boogered thread on them. How far did yours screw on there before it stopped? Not very far. Yeah. They're tinsel nuts. Yeah, I didn't think they started tinseling until the end. I mean, I barely get. It's still going. Yeah, mine. These are stopping. They're like going on a half of a turn and stopping. Wow. I'm still turning mine. Is this the way that the instructions showed the? I think so. I'll have to go look again. Probably gonna have to go this way. Yeah, I don't think they can go the other way, Dad. No, I couldn't get them in there.
Yeah, I couldn't get it in there myself. So.
Well, you couldn't have. See, that just goes that far and stops. So, did a washer on both sides or just one side? Just one side's all I saw. I got to find it in.
Is that not it?
Here they are.
Instructions?
Nope, that's not them. That's not them. Probably just
Well, how's that supposed to work?
Well, the washer goes on the other side. I knew it. There's 8 washers. Yeah, there's 2 washers. One on this side, one on the other side. Needs to come up some. What do you need to do? The whole motor needs to come up for me to get that in there. It has to come up with the Bobcat. Take yours out and let's put the. Hey, at least we know everything on this airplane's done twice because we don't do it right the first time. Right. I noticed there was extra washers.
Thank God that hole got cooked up.
No, thank me and Brian.
All right. No washer on this side now. I gotta back it out of there. Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's
Damn, glad you got that off there. I just wanted to show you I could do it again.
okay. It's going easily. I just didn't want to. I don't want to tighten them down too far and not be able to get the bottom ones in. Just wanted to give it. Okay. So now let's try to get the bottom one in. Where did this one come from? Must, yep.
You got washer on this side, washer on that side.
Done. The motor needs to come up. So let me get in here.
Okay.
Hold that.
What if we lift the? What if I pulled down on the tail end of the plane?
How's that tire going to go down any further?
Oh, you need it. That's good. Wait, that's you're gonna get the bolt in, and now you're gonna, yeah.
What was that?
I got mine in.
Another washer, a silver one.
Oh, that must have been the washer, the packing washer. Okay. Now we need to, this is a son of a gun, man. You got your nut on there?
Not yet.
You want me to stick my hand in there?
Well, the bolt's not through far enough.
That's the way mine is.
I guess we need to let the,
All right, I got the bolt showed in as far as it'll go, and I'm not even feeling anything on the other side.
oh, well, the
It's
bolts,
going to let the engine
the
down.
bolts were all the same, weren't they?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna say some longer than the others.
With our luck, yeah, probably were.
Lift it up.
See, come here and feel it's where this engine mount is going. See how, yeah, I see now. There's room behind that mount.
Okay. We'll lift it
Is
back up.
yours the same way? Yeah, yours is the same way. I don't know.
Hey, lift it back up.
All right. We got the same problem on both sides. I don't know whether I need to pick up the front of the engine, push the. All right, you got it all the way down, right?
I got a little bit of tension on it.
I don't know whether we can hammer them through there or not. Both sides are the same.
Just give me a rubber mallet.
Okay.
This has got that washer still in there. Okay. It's in there.
Over there, do the same over here. See how it's shifted down, but I guess you're not going to go about that.
What's shifted down?
Well, I mean, there's more mount down below than there is up top. It's not exactly centered, but I
Well,
guess
it will once it's.
like these tops are
You'll
kind
when you start sucking the top down, it'll pull it up.
of, okay, okay. Now we just need to put the nuts in it. Yeah. Got it in the neighborhood. Didn't turn very far though.
That's the same thing that top one did. As long as there's not a lot of tension whenever I'm tightening it, I'm happy with it.
Won't have to worry about the tail dropping down again. How much you say an LS motor costs?
Depends on, like that 454 for my vet was like 9,500. I think they're around
So you
12.
could buy 4 of those.
Three.
Pay 3 of them for it, pay for it.
Could probably buy a twin turbocharged 427 from Nelson Racing Engines for what we paid for this.
But the only
Make about
problem is that they
1,500 horsepower.
have to be water cooled.
Let's put a big radiator on it.
And then adjust your weights.
Yeah, it only weighs about 500 pounds.
Only about the weights and balances.
Just think about that motor that Mike Patey put in his airplane. That's 780 cubic inches, only makes 500 horsepower. That 427 stock LS motor makes that. Well,
Yeah, but that's air cooled too.
yeah, but think I wonder how heavy that thing is. Is it aluminum? this isn't aluminum. This is steel.
That's it, probably. I don't know. I noticed they got all these bolts or nuts with that white stuff on there.
Yes. Got a tail on it over there. It looks like it's centered. That one looks like it's maybe an eighth of an inch or down, centered in that pocket. See how there's a little bit more gap on the top than there's the bottom?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's,
But how are you going to fix that?
you're not. You can't.
I mean,
These are fixed.
this one's in there correctly. I say correctly, I mean centered.
It's only as good as the mount. Is this where you torque them?
Yeah, I just, what's that? What does it say in the instructions?
Broke it down. Let's see, 7/16.
It's on that page.
Look right here. 7/16. 450, 500.
450 to 500 inch pounds.
That's what it says. And there's some 5/16 bolts that go in there, and I don't know where the hell they're at. They ain't gonna pull it. And I don't know where to go.
450 to 500 inch pounds.
That's what it says.
Okay, you want to grab my, what's 500 divided by 12? 60? Yeah, that's 40. I was just saying I could use my foot pounds torque wrench.
Where is it?
Bottom drawer in the light.